Look at the example here. The police went to the robber's house, but he had left several hours before. So here you can see there are two actions. Call it as event. So first you can see police went. Okay, this is one event, and the second event is he left. Here he is referred to the robber, the thief. He left several hours before. That means first the robber left the house and later the police went to the robber's house. So this event took place first. So the first event took place in the past. We use the past perfect tense. So here is the structure. We have to use had and the verb in the past participle, which we call V3. So leave, left, left. So V3 is left. So the first event should be in the past perfect tense, and the second event should be in the simple past. So here we can see it is went, go, went, gone. So went is in the V2 form. Okay, and left is in the V3 form. Okay, this is about past perfect. Now what is simple past? What happens if there are two events in the simple past? When two events happen at the same time, we use the simple past. So simple past is used when two actions happen at the same time. She chucked him under the chin and gave him a kiss. Chucked him and immediately she gave him a kiss. So in both the situations we are using the simple past, which is the V2 form. So because these two actions, there are two actions and they are happened immediately one after the other. Okay, so the basic difference between the simple past and past perfect is simple past, if the events happen, if more than one events happen at the same time, we use the simple past, and if two events happen at different time, the first event should be in the past perfect tense and the second event should be in the simple past. So to understand better, let's look at this short story. We have to use either the simple past or the past perfect, and the verbs are in the brackets. So before last year. So before last year indicates it is in the past event. Mrs. Dasgupta, here the verb is in B form verb. So B is in the present tense, and in past tense the V2 form will be was or were depending on the subject. Here subject is singular, so we use the singular verb, auxiliary verb was, and the V3 form of B will be been. So Mrs. Dasgupta, a very lucky woman. So last year there's only one action here, so we use a simple past, was. She never worry about crimes because she never be a victim. So here there are two events. One is she never worried. So this one will be the first event. So we have to use the simple past. Why is this the first event? Because she never worried. Why she was never worried? Because she was never a victim. So the first event is never worried. So we'll give the simple past here because the reason is given. Because she had never been. Here the V3 form, we are using the past participle, past perfect tense. That is the V3 form. Had plus here there is never. So had never, be in V3 will be been, never been a victim. She never locked the doors of her house. So there is only one action here, so we use the simple past. She never locked. She always leave her car unlocked with the keys inside. So this is also again one action or one event which is unlocking. So we use the simple past. She always, the V2 form of leave is left. Left her car unlocked with the keys inside. She always go out of her house wearing expensive jewelry and carrying a lot of cash. So here the actions here are out of the house, that is go out of the house, wearing expensive jewelry. So you can see all these events happen at the same time. Going out, wearing the jewelry, and also carrying a lot of cash. So one after the other events we use a simple past. So she always. Go is in the V1 form, V2 is went, V3 will be gone, go, went, gone. So V2 is went. Unfortunately, Mrs. Dasgupta's luck run out last year. So one action, so we use the past, simple past, ran out. By the end of the year, she be the victim of pickpocket, a burglar and a car theft. So she was robbed with all these things at the same time. So we use the simple past, was. 3 months later, she moved into a new house in the new neighborhood. So one action here of moving into a new house. So we use the simple past, moved. So students, I hope you have understood. It's very easy, simple logic. You have to find out if there are two actions, and if there are two actions, you use the past perfect with the first event in past perfect, second event in the simple past. If the actions happened at the same time, so we use the simple past. That's the simple concept. Okay, now moving on to our second question. So this is a newspaper headlines article and sentences from it. Put the sentences in correct order. So there are list of sentences given here. So this is the main title given to the about a news. It happened in New Delhi. Burglar calls mum for a ride home. Here burglar means he is a thief or robber. Called his mother for a ride home. Ride home means to pick him up. He robbed a house and then he called his mother to pick him up. So based on this story, there are few sentences given here. We have to number them in order. So first, what happened? A woman went out of town for few days. That will be our first sentence. Second will be, when she returned home, she discovered that someone had broken into her flat and stolen her jewelry. So here you can see here first action, you can see two events, returned home and discovered. Okay, so first what happened? Her flat, somebody broke into her flat, means somebody came for robbery. That was the first event, so we used had broken. And second one is she returned home. So this is the second sentence. Third one, when she went to call the police, she noticed that her phone was not in its usual place. That is the third one. Then where did she find the phone? The burglar had kept her phone in the kitchen. She picked up the phone and hit the redial button. When she hit the redial button, okay, I think we have missed something. Okay, this one is 5, this should be 6. When a woman on the other side of the line answered, it was revealed that she was Ramlal's mother. So here the robber is Ramlal. Her mother picked up. Then comes, then she made a call to the unknown number. Okay, sorry, this one is the 6th one. Wait a minute. Okay, there are few more sentences. Someone had made a call to an unknown number from her home. Then the woman gave a detailed account of what happened to the police. Finally, what happened? The victim's quick thinking led to the arrest of Ramlal and his partner. So this is how we have arranged the story in order. Now coming to the writing part, I think you can write this. There are 2 topics given. Do this in your copy. First one, what I will miss the most about school when I grow older. So when you grow up or when you go to your college, what are the things you miss about your school? You have to write a passage or paragraph. And the second topic is why teachers hold a special place in our lives. So about your teacher, you have to write the topic. These 2 topics, do it in your copy. Okay, the remaining, do it in your book. Thank you.